Hello everyone. Today I will show you the top 10 upcoming technologies in the world. Number 10. AI as a service. Have you watched the movie Superman? It's a $300 million budget movie. It used expensive VFX to edit out the mustache of Henry Cavill because he had to keep it for his other movie projects, according to an article from Verge. The college graduate was able to achieve the same effect using AI on a $500 PC. To simplify and make AI available to everyone, AI as a service was introduced. So now everyone can use AI without buying expensive hardware. According to Indeed.com, there are 50,000 plus jobs vacant in the United States. Similarly, in India there are 15,000 plus jobs. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of an AI engineer is $120,000, and in India it is 10 LPA. Number 9. DevOps. DevOps is a mindset of molding your process and organizational structures to promote. Number 1. Business value. Number 2. Software quality. Number 3. Continuous improvement. To implement DevOps, Netflix created a suite of programs called the Simian Army. These programs created problems like shutting down servers randomly, deliberately causing latency problems between services, etc. This helped their team to create fault-tolerant and scalable systems, ultimately helping them achieve the DevOps principles. Using the same principles in DevOps, the machine learning workflow and data engineering workflow can also be automated. This new crossover of machine learning and data engineering with DevOps is called MLOps and DataOps. The average salary of MLOps or DataOps engineer in India is 9 lakhs per annum, and in the United States is $110,000. The highest can even go up to $140,000 per annum. If you want to learn from world-class DevOps professionals, do check out our DevOps certification training. Next in this top 10 trending technologies blog, we have artificial intelligence. Number 8. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is a category of data analytics aimed at making predictions about future outcomes based on historical data and analytics techniques such as statistical modeling, machine learning, and business intelligence. According to Forbes, the data science field will grow about 28% through 2026 year-on-year. According to Gartner, 70% organizations will make use of predictive analytics by the year 2025. The annual average salary for a data scientist in the US is $111,000. In India, the average salary of a data scientist is 11 lakhs per annum. There are many skills to gain in predictive analytics. For more information, do check out our list of top courses on predictive analytics. Next in this top 10 trending technologies blog, we have DevOps. Number 7. Internet of Behaviors. Have you ever been in a situation where you are talking about a certain product with a friend and you immediately get an advertisement regarding the same? If you have experienced it, you are not alone. This type of marketing aims at targeting the right person at the right time with the right product. Internet of Behavior, also known as IOB, refers to the behavioral data analysis gathered from IoT devices around us. Alexa, Google HomePod, and even your smartphones are examples of IoT devices. According to Gartner, about 40% of people will be tracked by IoT devices by 2023. According to Glassdoor, the salary of an IoT engineer in India can range from 5 LPA to 16 LPA. In the US, the average annual salary is between $110,000 to $140,000. There is no better time to start learning IoT today. Check out our courses on IoT and invest in your future. Next in this top 10 trending technologies blog, we have predictive analytics. Number 6. Edge computing. Edge computing is the practice of capturing, storing, processing, and analyzing data near the client, where the data is generated instead of in a centralized data processing warehouse. The IDC forecasts that the global edge computing market will reach $250 billion by 2024. The average salary of a cloud engineer ranges between $104,000 in the US to $147,000 annually. In India, it is 12 LPA and can go as high as 30 LPA. In the US, there are 130,000 jobs vacant for cloud engineers, according to Indeed.com. In India, there are 30,000 plus jobs vacant for cloud engineers. Start your journey today in becoming a cloud engineer. Check out our courses on cloud computing. Next in this top 10 trending technologies blog, we have Internet of Behaviors. Number 5. Snowflake. Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse that pulls data from a wide range of software services and computing platforms. What makes Snowflake different is its ability to scale compute and storage independently. Snowflake has more than 4,900 customers, including 212 of the Fortune 500, with tons of jobs available on the job portals. The average salary for a Snowflake data warehouse engineer is 15 lakhs per annum in India, and in the US it's $125,000 per year. Confused about how to start? Check out Edurika's Snowflake training. Next in this top 10 trending technologies blog we have edge computing. Number 4. Blockchain. Blockchain has been a buzzword for a couple of years now. Normally people have an understanding that blockchain's use cases are limited to just cryptocurrencies. But comparing cryptocurrencies to blockchain is just like saying smartphones can only be used for making calls. Blockchain has now found its way in industries like health insurance, finance and a lot more. In fact, there are popular games like Infinity which now utilize blockchain. According to Deloitte's global survey, 45% of emerging disruptors have already brought blockchain to production. Gartner forecasts that the business value generated by blockchain will grow rapidly, reaching $176 billion by 2025 and $3.1 trillion by 2030. If you have been planning to learn blockchain, 2022 would be the best time ever. Check out our blockchain course for more information on how you can start learning. Next in this top 10 trending technologies blog we have Snowflake. Number 3. Full stack development. According to Forbes, internet usage has increased by 70% in the past 2 years. This clearly paves way for more online business to come in the near future. Even the US government is recruiting for one, but in an interesting way. If you visit www.whitehouse.gov and check their website code, it has a job application hidden in it. Web development is the work involved in developing a website for the Internet World Wide Web or an intranet, a private network. Web development can range from developing a simple single static page of plain text to complex web applications, electronic businesses and social network services. A more comprehensive list of tasks to which web development commonly refers may include web engineering, web design, web content development, client liaison, client-side, server-side scripting, web server and network security configuration, and e-commerce development. Among web professionals, web development usually refers to the main non-design aspects of building websites, writing markup and coding. Web development may use content management systems (CMS) to make content changes easier and available with basic technical skills. Number 2. Cybersecurity. Recently, cybercrimes have increased tremendously. In 2021, Twitter was hacked and was used to get bitcoins. Do you see anything wrong with this? This is the account of the US president on Twitter. It was hacked and this message was posted from it. Cyber threats resulted in damages worth a whopping $6 trillion in 2021 alone, making it the single largest economic disaster in history. According to a report in the health sector alone, cybersecurity is expected to boom to $125 billion by 2025. Do you want to be a cybersecurity specialist in the next 6 months? Well, you should start preparing now. Check Edurika's cybersecurity courses to know more. Next in this top 10 trending technologies blog, we have full stack development. Number 1. Hyperautomation. Would you believe me if I told you in a few years AI would be given equal rights as humans? It's already happening. Have you heard about Sophia Chess, a humanoid robot which is powered by AI? She has her own thoughts, emotions, can see and speak like humans. In 2017, she was granted legal citizenship in Saudi Arabia. Hyperautomation involves the use of multiple technologies like artificial intelligence (AI), machine learning and automation technologies such as robotic process automation (RPA) to automate as many business processes as possible. According to Business Wire, 70% of RPA professionals say their organization will hire more developers in the next year. According to Forbes, the use of AI in many sectors of business has grown by 270% over the last 4 years. You can check out Edurika's automation courses if you want to make a career in automation. Next in this top 10 trending technologies blog we have cybersecurity. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.